What is up, boutique babes? What is crack-a-lacking? Welcome back to this here video, and welcome if you're new. I'm so happy to host you. I am Sharon, your wonderful host of this here video, and this is Makartt's February curated box for you all. Of course, it starts off with "Hey babe," love that. So in this amazing box for February's curated box, you're gonna get these amazing dried flowers. Similar to the boutique florist kit, you get these amazing tweezers as well. It's my second pair. I love Makartt's tweezers. They're so cute, and just something really cute about them. The white with the black lettering, and it's just really, really nice. I love these roses with the AB color on them. Very pretty. You get one side of the roses in 6 different colors. You get one side of the hearts in 6 different colors. 4 with the AB shine to them, and then 2, I don't know what you would call this shine, if it would just be like a regular color or not, but it reminds me of the cat eye metallic look so much. I was a little disappointed that one of the flowers was broken, but that's the only piece that came broken, so I can't really say much for that. These are the horoscope jewelry pieces. I don't have any of these, so I was so happy to get those. Now this display stand is so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And I used it at the end just to kind of show you what it would look like displaying your tips on it. Very pretty. Love that they also give you 2 different size strands of pearls, like necklace pearls, to drape on your nails for jewelry. You also get 2 polygels, medium size, 30 ml. Their full sizes are 50 ml. So we're just gonna open these, give you some swatches. So this is their clear, and their clear is the clearest polygel on the market right now. And this is the Calla Pink or Calla Lily. I'm not sure exactly, but this is the orange marmalade that everyone is raving about right now. Love this color. So if you were lucky enough to get the scarlet and the marmalade in February's box, yeah, count your lucky stars, because some people got like this weird Valentine's mixed with like mermaidy colors. I personally would have preferred the green and the blue colors. Me personally, I would have gladly traded my colors for the mermaidy colors. I really love blue and stuff, but I don't have orange marmalade or scarlet. I don't really have a good red gel polish other than my OPI one, which is pretty old at this point, but love these colors. They are so pretty, and I actually ended up doing my designs using these colors, so I hope you will stick around for the design. If you want to skip ahead for that part and get through the swatches, you can, but look at how pretty this red is. It is so vibrant. How could you not love this? So I actually ended up doing 3 different designs, and I wanted to use my hand Lola, but it was just so difficult trying to stay in shot and do her hand on the tips, and so I need to figure out a setup for Lola that's going to work for us. So instead, I decided to go in with my practice tips instead, and I'm going to do 3 different designs for you all. So I'm just going to base coat them using my Starry Whispers base coat. And I'm just gonna rough up the shiny surface, because obviously you want your design to adhere to that tip properly. So even though it's not on a person, I'm still gonna act as though I'm working on a real person. So I'm gonna use my base coat. I'm gonna go in with a reverse French design first, and this is the Calla Pink. Very pretty. I actually believe it's Calla. So I know in the boutique florist kit, it's called Calla Lily. And it really looks very similar to that color. So I'm not sure if this is Calla Lily or Calla Pink. I think it's the Calla Pink. If anyone knows off the top of their head, just, let me, or I could just run upstairs really quick. Hello. So I actually love doing reverse French using polygel, because it's that much easier to get that proper shape, because you could literally mold it for hours until you're happy with the way it looks, which is awesome with polygel. So let me just see really quick the color. Oh, so it is Calla Lily. So it's not Calla Pink. It definitely is Calla Lily. And that's the same pink that's actually in House of Florists. So the boutique florist kit is the one with the dried flowers and the tweezers, and House of Florists is with the calla lily pink. So this design is our side French, so our diagonal French, and we're gonna do a cute little design on that, doing a marble with our gel polishes. Really cool. So we're doing a marble ombre here, and this is our third design. So we're taking our scarlet, our orange marmalade, and our gorgeous ginger from last month's box. And look at, I take an orange wood stick. Look at how easy that is. Not even using a brush. So you know where that line comes in to blend? I just took my orange wood stick and blended that color back just ever so slightly. And so when you come in with your poly gel over that, you're not gonna have like a huge ledge or anything like that, even though you probably wouldn't because it's gel polish. But I want it to be as thin as possible right there. Look at that marble though, y'all. So also you want to keep in mind when you're filing a crisp line like this is why I left it, that you're going up against the product and not down onto your client's hand or nail plate. You want to be as tight up to that smile line as possible, going against the product. You don't want to put any force or weight down on the nail surface itself. You want to be going up against that acrylic or poly gel. So then you clean off the dust and everything, and then you can start going with your designs. And our design on these is so pretty. So I did the marble on all three nails, but in totally different ways. So on this one, you have a marble fade ombre. So you're ombreing your calla lily over the top of that marble, and it just comes out so freaking pretty. And then we encapsulate it with our clear. The reverse French, same thing, marble at the tip. Super pretty. This is 3 different ways you could wear your marble, and 3 different ways it's gonna come off super flawless and really nice looking. And this is just an easy way that you can use these products in different ways without breaking the bank and without having to go into all your other nail stuff and figure out, okay, what am I going to do with all this stuff? There's so many different methods and different techniques that you can use with the products you get in each and every box. I could have used a bunch of the jewelries if I wanted to, but I think I'm going to save those for a really lit set of nails. I just wanted to share with you all quick, easy designs that you can do with your curated boxes without having to go crazy and get all your stuff out. The reason I love working with polygel too is it doesn't have the obnoxious fumes from the acrylic liquid. I worked with acrylic for so long, and I still do, but because I was working with it every single day, day in and day out, I was starting to get really bad headaches and stuff, so I had to take a break from that. Moving on, this is our side French with the marble, and as you can see, I am using 2 dollops of my ginger, a dollop of orange marmalade, and a dollop of scarlet, and I actually end up going back in with another dollop of our ginger just to bring more nude into it. But look at how easy it is to use your orange wood stick to do a marble. Who would have thought? I mean, I definitely would have thought, but I mean, I grabbed it thinking, hey, this might work. And it actually worked a lot better than I thought it would. Very happy with how everything came out. And just super excited about all the goodies that came in this box. Actually, oh my goodness. So this is not a marble. This is actually my reverse French. I forgot all about this. I'm showing you guys how to get a blended ombre without using an ombre brush. We're only using a liner brush and my orange wood stick. So I thought, let me share with you ladies how you can do an ombre using an orange wood stick. And then I'm like, this isn't working as good as I wanted it to. So let me share with you 2 different ways. So you could use an orange wood stick, or you can use your liner brushes. Watch, I'll show you. And it still came out super cute. you'll see exactly what I mean. So you definitely got to give this a shot. Try it out. If you do try it, let me know and tag me in your video or send the link to me. I always put my email in my description index below. So if you want to share it with me, send it to my email, or you can tag me on Instagram or TikTok. So first I use my orange wood stick, and then I go in with the liner brush. How stinking cute is that? It really just came out so much better than I thought it would. And all you got to do is feather back and forth just like you would an ombre brush, basically. Isn't that super cute? And then I go in afterwards and I encapsulate it using the clear that we got in the 30 ml pack. I actually loved how it came out, and I completely forgot how good it actually looked. And then I actually do some cherries, because the hearts, you know, at first I was going to do hearts, and then I was like, how cute would it be if I used the scarlet to make cherries, and then the orange marmalade I used as the stem color. So it actually came out a lot prettier than I thought it would. They looked really cute. So I hope that you really liked this month's curated box unboxing and review. Let me know what you think of the designs in the comments below. Any constructive criticism goes a long way. I'm here for it all day. Just be nice, guys. And yeah, that's about it. So if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps my channel a lot. And don't forget to turn on all your notifications so you could be reminded when I upload my videos. I'm trying to get them like every day, every other day. So just bear with me. Let me know what you'd like to see from me. This is that hand done art. We're doing some 4-point stars, and we're doing cherries, and we're doing some hearts. So yeah, stay for that, and I'll see you all in my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you don't mind. So that'll help my channel a lot. Just get it to more people. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I have for you all today. So I hope you like this one. I love you all so much. Remember to love yourselves and each other, and just be good to each other. Bye, y'all.